This is an ArcGIS Map Package. It contains the map and the data in one compressed file. You can open it in ArcGIS Pro or unpack it like a zip file to get the raw data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's unpack it. The easiest fixes come first, but I want you ready for the ultimate solution. The magic utility that specializes in the MPK format. Details below. An ArcGIS Map Package, MPK, is a container for distributing geographic data, including map documents, data layers, and related resources. It allows users to share complete map projects with others, ensuring that all necessary components are included and readily accessible. This simplifies the process of distributing and using maps across different ArcGIS environments. MPK files are essentially zip archives containing the map document, MXD or APRX, data sources, shapefiles, geodatabases, symbology, and any other supporting files. ArcGIS uses a specific structure within the zip archive to organize these components. When opened in ArcGIS, the software extracts and organizes the contents, allowing the user to work with the map immediately. The designated application for the MPK file is ArcGIS Pro from ESRI. The file is only recognizable by its name and size in Windows Explorer. Windows provides only superficial insight, so understanding the data requires the correct software. Let's find the specific program that reads the file structure. Right-click the MPK file and select Open with Test ArcGIS Pro if it appears. If not, choose another application. One of them is the right match. If the MPK file is still refusing to open, it's expected. Since this MPK is a niche format, we can't assume a simple fix. Don't worry. We'll quickly check these key details to find where the error lies. First, use ArcGIS. Open the file using ESRI ArcGIS Desktop, the required application for the map package. Next, check version. Ensure your ArcGIS version is compatible with the version that created the file. Finally, check integrity. If the file won't load, check the file integrity and try re-downloading it. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.